Are you a content creator or agency owner that's having a hard time managing your content? If so, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share my top 5 tools for content creator. Coming up first is going to be Notion. Notion is a great platform for you to be able to have all of your ideas stored in one place and be able to organize things like videos and/or scripts, have content calendars. The possibilities are truly endless. You can customize Notion anywhere you want. They also have AI incorporated into some of the paid plans. Number 2, Descript. Descript is my go-to editor when I just need to get things done. If I'm not doing any fancy edits, this really gives me the opportunity to get straight to the point. In fact, I edited this very video inside of Descript. What it allows me to do is edit a video just like a Word document. So I can see any places I messed up, highlight it, delete it, and keep going. They also have great integrations with things like stock footage, music, GIFs, and plenty more. If you are a beginner editor or just really need to get straight to the point, Descript is going to be a great starting place for you to get that done. Third on the list is Frame.io. So I'm a content creator, but I also have different clients, and I need a way for them to be able to monitor and or give feedback to me when it comes to certain projects. Frame.io gives me that great platform to where they can view the content, make any suggestions or edits that they need, even be able to highlight and leave notes, and it time codes it for me. As an editor, there's nothing more frustrating than somebody saying, "Remember that part in the video? Can you change that?" And I don't know what they're talking about or referencing. Frame.io allows me to have time-coded feedback so I can fix exactly what they want and get it done. Fourth on the list is Merticool. Now, Merticool is a great platform if you are scheduling content. So I love it because I can schedule content as far ahead as I need to, but they also have platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube. That's been a game changer for me to be able to schedule my own content, but also content of my clients. They also share great analytics and data that you can download and share with your clients. Last but not least, my 5th recommendation is going to be CC360. Now, this platform is literally gold, right? Because you have your CRM, which is an email system. You also have automations. You can host courses and communities. This platform is just getting better and better with time. Stockton and the team continue to wow me every single week with all of their efforts. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to be able to host your courses, have communities, be able to send emails, text messages, also schedule out content, CC360 is the platform for you. I'm going to be sharing all of these links in the description below for you all to take advantage of them, and a few of them have 14 and even 30-day free trials. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to tune into the next video where I'll be sharing with you 5 tools to actually create this content.